what is going on? And good morning, guys. It is Friday, December 6th, 7th, something like that. And Brian and I are on our way out to Lake L. The fish have been finicky as crap. However, we are going to try to finish our one bait from last week with the baby Diabomb, and I brought another color in hopes that maybe we can make it work. It's a small craw colored baby Diabomb. Still a Diabomb, but I'm thinking finesse is the key right now. So it is 9:22. The time is 9:22. We're gonna head on out to Lake L. I won't be bringing my big camera, but I'll have my GoPro and batteries. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We also have new gear on my page on Facebook. Go check it out, Slime Donkey Apparel. Boom. We'll see you guys out on the water. Let's go. Alright guys, we're out here at Lake L and gonna see what we can make happen, glad. It is a beautiful day, about 45 right now. And the cool thing about this boat is you learn something new every day. There is a strap for a battery right down here. Now that we are finally out on the water, and it took an hour and a half, we are going to go hit the cove, and I am going to rig up that baby Diabomb. They like the color, but I think it was a bit too big. So, as part 3, we are going to throw a baby Diabomb in Desert Storm color. So we'll get it tied on and see what happens. Oh, and I am also going to take off that trapper tackle hook. I do not like that on this rig. So, that one going bye-bye. I put it on. Thank you for the cool sticker. I will rock it. So we're going to put on a small 3/0, maybe a 2/0 worm hook. Alright, here we go. Baby bomb. See how it does. Finesse, baby, finesse.
My real hook, not a big one. Baby.
Still.
That's not that bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah, it's a good one.
Bye-bye. Got the skunk off. Got one?
Yep, on camera.
Nice.
Doubles.
Back to back. Back to back.
On the Diabomb, baby.
So we got the same color on ours?
Yep, exactly the same color.
Sweet.
Look at the black spots on that fish. Isn't that cool?
Man, nice. I think I got you by about a pound.
Probably. But hey, a fish is a fish.
Nobody's going home hungry.
I had that hook barely exposed right there. And
That's about what
slammed it. But they love hanging out in these trees. Oh, I got hammered again. There we go.
Okay. Yep.
Dinkaroo, number 3 out of that same hole. And it is a skinny one.
That's a yearling.
Skinny mini. And she was hooked.
In the boat.
Pretty. I found them, boys and girls. Got one?
Oh, this is a big one.
Number 4.
Bigger.
There you go.
Yeah. Actually, smaller than the last one, but we found them. This one felt bigger than the other one. It actually feels heavier. And it's definitely more alive. Stop. Stop. Stop.
If I can get this wind to calm down. Yeah. Not bad.
You're in the way.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
About a pound and a half.
Maybe. Like a half a pound.
There's like 300 pounds in my head. There's 300 pounds in my head.
There we go. Sweet. Oh no.
No, I'm hooked. Oh, no, I'm not. Maybe not.
It'll be a cool place to come camp out for a weekend. And fish on the boat, that little house. Right where I wanted it. I'll be happy when we can get on the other side of the lake where it's not so windy. Going smaller on that bait really helps. So one bait wasn't a complete fail. Same bait, just smaller profile and a different color. Oh, come on. Take it. Dang it. That thing was getting clobbered. Come on, fish. It's a little dinky. Ooh, 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 come on. Come on. You got it? Dang it. They keep hammering it. Got the right size and the right color. Just playing with it. Be a good spot for that. Shake a head. Oh gosh. Take it. This thing, I was getting hammered. I know, it's so weird.
This is what I did with my weight.
I was playing with it. They are feisty and cold. Whew. That D-bomb. Getting it done, guys and girls. They are down there. They want it, but they're just playing with it. Yeah. Well, hopefully the wind will allow us to sit. we're moving. Come on.
Holy big fish, right here.
Yeah, it's like carp.
Another one.
Yep. Come on. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still and I'll let you off. Skinny. Deer bomb getting it done. Now, if I can get control on my boat, that'd be great. Yeah. Man, that thing came out from the deck and just, I was swimming it and I thought I saw the line move and I just shot the hook. And there it was. Oh, there we go. Another one.
Got it?
Dang, he wanted it. Look at that. Come on. Think he wanted it? Yeah. Look. Gone. Luckily, I didn't get him in the eye. Man, what a pretty fish. Dinkaroos, dinkaroos. All we catch is dinkaroos. Well, guys, the one bait was not a complete bust. We both caught quite a few on the deer bombs, and the key was going down in size to a baby deer bomb, and it worked really, really well. Actually, all the fish that we have caught have been on that type of bait. Well, guys, I thought we'd make a close. It is December, and we caught a lot of fish. Not quality, but quantity. We caught quite a few, probably 15, for about 4 hours. Not bad. I hope that you enjoyed, and I know that Brian did as well. Lake Hill, December 6th, closing out. If you want to see more videos like this throughout the winter, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know. Whew. It's a workout getting that boat from down here to up there. Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.